Hello guys, it's Coolcat here and I'm playing Will You Press This Button? Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, it says here, you become the most beautiful person in the world, but everyone forgets you after 1 second. I don't know what to do. Wait a minute, I'm already beautiful, so I don't need this shit. Okay, okay. Okay, next one. Okay, you get to pop uncomfortable pimples and leave no scar at all, but you get boils. I don't know what to say to this one, guys. Do I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do here. I don't like popping uncomfortable pimples. Boils hurt. Okay. Okay, so the next one is you may gaze into someone else's future, but there's a 50-50 chance you'll look into your own future without realizing it. Cool. Sure. Okay. Okay, you will know everything, but suddenly life seems meaningless and predictable. No! I don't want to know everything. I'm just pressing because I don't really care. Okay, seriously. Your penis will grow to any desired length and girth, but you turn gay. I have no idea what to. I want a big dick, but I'm not gay. I don't know what to do. Ah! Yeah. Okay. Whenever you die, you rise from the ashes like a phoenix. But as soon as you rise, one person within 100 miles randomly combusts. Hey, whatever floats their boat, right? I press the button. I press it. Hey, it seems good to me. I don't really give a shit what happens to a person within 100 miles. Okay. You can grow a mustache that everyone will find attractive, but it's made of pubic hair. This is a dilemma. I already got a mustache, so I don't care. Okay. Rid any physical or mental disorders from yourself or anyone you choose, but your most embarrassing moment will become a viral hit on YouTube, and no one will forget it. I do it good. There's people I know that are sick. Okay. You will get to be in your dream world forever, but you have to watch your worst nightmare happen for the first 48 hours of it. No, I ain't doing that shit. No, I ain't doing that. Okay. You will get. I'm stupid. Okay, I can only do I'm gonna do 3 more after this. Okay, guys. Become the best at whatever art form you choose, but you never be happy with what you create. What's the use of creating art? No. I should put it as good. Okay, so you become a mathematical genius, but you can only speak in a dead language. Nah, nope. You cannot ever die, and you control every physical aspect of your appearance. But you can't talk, write, or sign. You can read, but you cannot communicate your thoughts in any way. Fuzzy, I don't know what that is. But that just seems kind of pointless to live with that. Okay, one more, guys. One more, and then. Okay. Okay, so it says here, hyperspace travel becomes a reality and we start to colonize our planets in the galaxy, but this invites a multitude of new threats from various alien species. I wouldn't mind a Mass Effect world, so. Okay, guys, well, that's me playing Will You Press This Button, and it's short and stupid and pointless. It's stupid and pointless, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again later, guys. Bye.